For millions of years, every single night, our ancestors did something. They found a spot on the ground, closed their eyes, and drifted into total unconsciousness for hours at a time. In the wild, this left them completely vulnerable to predators. From a strictly evolutionary perspective, sleep looks like a terrible mistake. And yet, nature never eliminated it. Every species we've studied, from tiny fruit flies to huge whales, sleeps in some way. This shows an important point. The benefits of sleep are so big that they outweigh the risk of dying. Sleep is not an option, it is a non-negotiable need for life. Welcome back to Factopedia English. Today, we're breaking down the science of sleep and why it's the one thing humans can't live without.
The nightly janitorial shift.
For centuries, we thought sleep was a time for the body to shut down and save energy. Modern science shows that sleep is a time of intense biological activity. When you're awake, your neurons fire. They use energy and create waste. This waste contains toxic proteins. If these proteins build up, they can lead to serious cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. But the brain is trapped inside the skull. It has no easy way to flush this garbage out while you are active. When you enter deep sleep, the cells in your brain actually shrink by up to 60%. This opens paths for cerebrospinal fluid to flow through the tissue. It is a nightly janitorial shift that is impossible to perform while you are awake. While the brain cleans itself, it also organizes your life. We do not actually learn during the day, we merely gather information. It is during sleep that the brain sorts through this data. It shifts key memories from weak short-term storage to the brain's permanent archives. At the same time, it does a process called pruning. This means it removes unimportant details, like the color of a car passing by or a stranger's face on the street. Without nightly editing, our minds get noisy and overwhelmed.
The biological foundation.
This restoration extends to the body as well. During deep, slow-wave sleep, the pituitary gland releases most of our growth hormone. This hormone helps repair the wear and tear from the day. When we deny ourselves this rest, the consequences are immediate. We do not just feel tired, we become biologically compromised. Our emotional control fractures, our metabolism disrupts, and our cognitive abilities plummet. We often view sleep as an interruption to our lives, a waste of time that could be spent working or living. Sleep is the single most effective life support system we have. Thanks for tuning in to Factopedia English. Stay curious, stay informed.